So guys, now we will understand how what is this UI or user interface of the WordPress. So the dashboard of WordPress is used to changes some of the minor changes like site title, like you can find here, that is dashboard portfolio or portfolio Janik here and Janik Patel. So these are the titles of the websites. So here we can add it by providing it. Here I will add Janik Patel and content on everything that we have to use in our websites, and some of the drag boxes for adding other files or information to our website. After it, we have post. So post are the content in which we are adding some information, like if you see YouTube videos or YouTube, if you go to YouTube video, youtube.com, then you will find this. There are so many YouTube tutorials or videos. So that's why it is hard to manage it in website like no code websites. So that's why we will use post. So post is a in the post we are managing all the post or the content which will be added later on in the websites. After that we will find media. So there are so many media information like images, videos, and different things. So here we can add images or videos from our computer to our website. After that we will find pages. So pages. Pages, like if YouTube have different pages like library, short, so many different pages. So to make that pages, we will here click add new and we will create different pages for our websites. So after that, we will ignore these comments. I think you have already know about comments. What are comments? So it's comments for if when we are creating websites in Teams, then we will use this. Uh, right now, it's not important to learn this because we are not working in Teams. So that's why we'll ignore it uh, right now. And after that, we will see appearance. So there are some themes or already made websites in this WordPress. So that's why we can use it, or we can create from uh, in by us or by our own. So here we can find different themes or already made websites by the some of the developers. So we can also use this. But in this tutorial, we will make a website from a tool like its name is Element. We will learn about it later on. So now we will see plugins. So WordPress is a software which have such tools or things that we can use to make website. They are not enough to make a website. That's why we will use plugins. Plugins are is like if we want YouTube videos or any other videos that are only on YouTube. So to add these videos in our website, we can use a plugin which name is YouTube plugin, and we can add YouTube videos in our websites. So plugins is like adding new features in our website, which is made by some another developer or which are ally on another websites that we are using in our websites. So plugins uh, allow us to insert many more features for our websites. After that, we will see users. Users are the information which are of the developers who are working on the project. Here I am the single one who is working on the portfolio website. That's why I'm here. My username is admin. And after that, we will see the some of the tools which are so here are theme file editor, plugin file editor. So these are the tools given by WordPress. You can explore by personally by looking by specifically looking these tools. After that, we will see settings. Settings are normally just like our phone has some of the setting changes. We can make some changes in our phone like time or date time, or we can change our wallpaper by going to set by going to in settings. So here also settings can change some of the information or some of the content in our websites. Nothing. So now we will go to pages. So at the start, we will go to pages and click add new, add new to add our first page of our website. So our website. So now I have created a website. So this website title will be Janik Patel, and we will publish it. Click on publish. Here it is publish and publish. And so now our page, this page is published and we can view it. So if you see this link, our page has successfully published. So after that, we will go to our WordPress dashboard, click on WordPress logo and go to pages. And this is our home page. So we are now making a website. So that's why we will install a plugin. So it will help us to make website easily. It We will see what is it. We will use Elementor plugin, which helps to make websites easily. So here it is, Elementor website builder. We will install it. So Elementor is a plugin which is allow us to already made sections, like we have to add section. Click on activate, and in our website some of the sections are there. Like in this portfolio, we have header, or after that we have some of the text, and we have a button, or some of the social media icons, image, about section, skill section, or these things. So Elementor have already made that sections. So that's why we will use Elementor. So Elementor is a easy tool for making websites in WordPress. So we will go to pages and see we have activated our Elementor plugin. And whenever you go to pages, okay, now our pages has loaded. So we will refresh it and see what changes now has taken place after installing the Elementor plugin. So again, refresh it. Okay, so we have to click on edit because we have not integrated Elementor in our website. That's why we will click on our pages and edit, and after that we will click on edit with Elementor. After clicking on it, our new user interface will appear in front of. Now we will click on continue and activate continue. No, click on cancel and also cancel this navigator. So now we can find some of the text here we can use in our inner section, or images, or text editor, or buttons, which are already provided by this Elementor editor. So okay, we will click on. So here are some of the blocks which are already given by the Elementor, and also here are some of the buttons like settings, like you can see it here, settings, navigator, history, responsive mode, preview changes. So we will click on preview changes. So it will open a new tab of our website, and it will show the changes we have made in our website in a new tab. So that's why to view it, we can click on preview changes. So now we will click on settings and click on page layout, and after that select blank. Here it is, the second last option, blank, and update it. So what will happen? So after updating it, just a second, blank, Elementor canvas, Elementor full width, hide title, and we will click on hide title because we don't want this title in our. So this is our website is completely blank now. So now we will add a section. So right now what we have to create, we have to create this section, this our bio section, in which we will include our name, our role, and some of the bio or a button of contact and an image. So that's why we will click on three sections. We want three columns. That's why we will click on it. So now we have three columns. In first one, we will add an image. Just drag it and drop it. Has is simple and has simple and we can use it. So this how we can create our website in this. So I think it's very small of image, so that's why we will go to and click on Elementor full width and update it like this. So we will get a complete full width of our website. If we see this, our website will be look like this. So published. So okay, we will not change any other things. Just we have an image here, and here we will add a heading in which we will write, hi, I am Janik Patel. You will write your name and your roles and other things. Like I am a full stack web developer, so I have added a heading here. After that, to add the subheading, that's why we will click on three dots here. Click on it, and we will redirect it to blocks and take this text editor and insert it below the heading. So in this we will write full stack web developer. Also we can change some of the things like styles, like color of the text, and if you have to add this, you can just click on pencil icon. Here it is, and you will find sidebar which you can add or change your information or how your website will look in the output. Like we have text color here, we will change it to a dark color or a black, or we can create a website. I am Janik Patel, so it's perfect. After that, we will click on update here. That after that update, this will section will refresh, and whatever changes we have made, we will see at here in this. So perfect. We have almost made our website, and now we will add here new things like icons. So we will search icon. So you will get this icon which logo is a star, or add this, insert it inside this, and again click on nine dots and insert the icons, because we want minimum four icons for our website. That's why we will duplicate this icons by right click and click on duplicate. Again, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. So now we have four icons. To to change this icon, we can simply click on go to icon library. Here you can find it, icon library. After that, you will get some of the icons here. So first one we want Twitter, like this, and click on insert. So now our icon has changed with Twitter, and now click on the another icon, go to icon library and search for LinkedIn, Here it is LinkedIn and click on insert. After that, again, click on pencil and icon library, and after that, search for GitHub. So this is GitHub icon. So it is a platform which we'll use here. So you can add another icons like Facebook or any other thing. So like next we will add Instagram. Search for Instagram and click on it. And after that insert it. Here it is insert. So we have successfully added our icons here, and we will change the sum of the width in this and click here, and so you can change your website looks by, so it is as simple as you see it. Like our icons are on middle or very on in at the center. That's why we will click on it and change its position by here alignment. You can use this alignment to change its position. Click on it and just change its position. So if you see our icons are so much big or in size, that's why we will go to styles and decrease its size. I think no 40. I think 35 or 30 will be better. That's why we will click on another icons and go to styles. And if you want if you don't want to change your size of the icons, then doesn't matter. You can do it. Because I am have to change it. That's why I'm changing it, all of them. So I have inserted equally, and now we will click on the parent container of this icons, that is this column. So now I will change it horizontal align. So here I will click on center and center space evenly. So vertical align we can use middle. So in middle looks better. That's why we can change our its vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment is center and vertical alignment is middle. Perfect. Now we will update this. Don't forget to regular update your portfolio website, because if you don't update it, whatever changes you have made in your website will not save it. That's why you have to regular update your website by clicking this button. Now we will see our website in the new tab. So our website is perfectly made. After that, I think we will again have to change. Go to settings, and we can take blank, because blank I think it's better, because it's don't show the lines and the icons and other things in our portfolio. But it's very okay, guys. I think we can select Elementor Canvas. Here it is. You can select Elementor Canvas here, because it's provide a full width of the web page like this. Let me load it. So it allows us the full width of a website and looks better than earlier. That's why we are using selecting Elementor Canvas. Page layout, because here some of the layout here we can use blank or blog alternative or theme or Elementor full width or default. So I think you should also change this by Elementor Canvas, because it's better. If you can see this, that's why we will click on 9 dots and edit our other informations. So right now we have added some of the icons here. So I think I can't see the canvas, because we have to change its color. I will change its color by later on. But now we have to add a text editor, small text here below the full stack developer. And I think I will copy this and paste this inside. You can write by your own. Okay, I should write. I am a junior college student learning uh, and a web developer. Like this, you can also write about your own like who are you and now what you are learning, etc., etc. So I am a junior college student and a web developer in at LFP at Learn from Peers. So I think it's perfect. And full stack, I will change up some of the settings in full stack development. And here it is text typography. I will increase the weight of it. So I will select 700 and here I will change its size and you can also change the typographic like text family its font family like it looks better, right? Hi, I am Janik Patel. This font is better, so that's why I'm choosing this. You can choose any other of you like. Full stack web developer. After that, I will change the color of this text. For changing, just you have to click on the pencil button or directly you can click on here also. So I will change its color and select this and select this just and here also I will do the same thing. So some of the things I think you will learn by your own in this WordPress by creating and making your website. So whenever you want to insert the image, you just click on image and here you will find choose image. So we will add the image later on because right now I don't have any image to insert in this website. So now I will just update it and we will look now how to make our new sections like about or this header and we will add another other sections also in the next video. So thank you and goodbye.